That's a delivery.
Today, I'm going to show you some necessary precautions and steps that you can take for your delivered packages. When I grab my mail or my packages, I always wear gloves and a mask. I have my wipes and scissors. My packages are down on the ground, which I asked my delivery person to do, and I put them up on my bench. I open them up carefully, shake the package down so I won't cut it because sometimes I'm clumsy, and I carefully remove the products outside the package. I do everything outside. I set the packages aside, and there's the box. Germs and viruses can live on boxes, so you just want to throw that down. Now that I have that done, carefully remove my gloves from the inside out. Throw those down as well. These are the steps that I take when I receive a package, but I was already doing this before all the chaos. Next, I'm going to put a fresh pair of gloves on. We're going to take our wipes and we're going to wipe down the outside of the products. You wouldn't believe how many people have touched this product because they change hands a lot when they're being delivered and you don't know where the product came from. So you want to make sure you just cover your bases, and it's best to be safe than sorry. I have some 91% isopropyl alcohol here, and I also alternate between the wipes and the alcohol. You can choose whatever one you want to use, or you can use both, and just kind of wipe down the product, especially when it's the cardboard box, because anything can live on top of the cardboard boxes. So we want to make sure we be careful with that. You want to take your gloves off holding the wipes, flip them all the way through from the inside out, and you're all set. You want to toss everything in the recycle bin or throw it away in the garbage. Also, the gloves as well. You want to throw those out. Next, you want to make sure you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. I do it as long as you sing happy birthday. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much for watching.